And make your baby, make a bear.
Yeah, it's just you and me. Bonnie and Clyde, yeah, we're so young and so free. Now we get wild, yeah, they gon' talk about me, 'cause you are mine.
Hi guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. As you can tell by the title, in today's video I'm going to show you guys how I made this cute and affordable rose bear for Mother's Day. And I just made it from these two simple things that I got from Amazon and a hot glue gun. Just a little disclaimer before we get any more into this video, this is not something you can do at the last second, because it literally took me a day and a half just to do this one bear, and I'm doing a second one for my sister. So, but you know, this is a simple and easy present that you can give to your loved ones for graduations, birthdays, Mother's Day, basically anything. Now, another thing I want to say is that I had to cut all these by myself, because I brought the pack that was like, had like netting and vines and stuff on them, so I had to like cut them, which honestly was not a good idea, because it just made the process a lot longer for me. But I will be putting the roses that I got in the description, and also a pack of roses that you can get without like the netting and stuff, and they'll just like show up like this. And as always, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Okay, it takes no time or money out of your hands, and it's literally going to take you like 2 seconds to do. So please just go and hit that butterfly in the corner, whichever corner it's in, and let's go straight into this video. So this is what I meant by the roses having like netting and vines connecting all of them. I brought them like that, and I just cut all the netting off, and I took all the like metal vines off, and you can see like the netting was like stuck on there. So I had to cut every single rose, and I'm just going to show you guys how I did it. And I just want to advise you guys, if you do decide to buy this pack of roses, because it's the one that Amazon Prime was shipping, which is why I got it, but just be careful when you're pulling the metal part out, because as you can see, it has like the white part, and that makes the whole rose just fall apart. And once you are done cutting all your roses, you can finally start gluing them onto the bear. Now, you always want to start in the center when you're starting on a new body part for the bear, just so it can be like, it sticks out more to like accentuate the body part basically. And I just started off with the nose, and you know, just glue it in the middle, and then glue around it a little bit, and you'll see the rest. I also used the scissors because I was doing like an excessive amount of glue. Now, I was not trying to burn my fingers that night, so if you are heavy-handed with the glue, you can just use your scissors to pick up the extra glue. And you can also use them to help the roses stick like closer together. Now, when it comes to making the back side of the ear, you want to make sure you're not showing the bottom of the rose at all. And y'all can see I'm just placing them sort of just like in the middle, and I'm squishing the roses together as closely as I can, because I don't want to show the bottom part, or just the green part in general. And you just want to make sure you're not showing that part as you go along. And if you do end up showing the green part of the rose, you can just add a little bit of glue where it's showing and fold a petal over just to cover it up. Once I was done doing the bear's ears, I just started working on the nose and gluing the roses all around like I have done before. When it came to gluing the roses for the bear's face, I was just using the same circular placement that I used for gluing the roses around the bear's nose. And I glued as many roses as I could until I reached the bottom of the ears. And once you are completely done with the front half of the bear's face, you can move on to its arms and legs. And I was just doing the same thing that I did for when I was gluing the nose, just gluing the roses all in the middle at first and grouping them around. Once I was done doing the front half of the arms and legs, I just started filling in the gaps in between the middle for the bear's body with the roses. And this is definitely where the scissors can come in handy because it was a lot harder to push the roses in there with your fingers. Now finally onto the back of the bear. And when I was doing the back of the bear's head, I was honestly just gluing the roses all over. But when it came to doing the torso, I was gluing the roses in a horizontal type way, and y'all gonna see it in a minute. And I just want to mention one more thing before this video ends, is that once you're doing like the bottom half of the bear, make sure you're covering up as much of the white as possible, so when the bear is sitting on like a level table or whatever, that you can't see that it's white at the bottom, like just in case if you don't want to put the roses at the bottom. You could honestly do that. I don't know how it's gonna look because I didn't do that for my bear, but even with the 3 packs that I got from Amazon, it was still roses left over. Alright, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please let me know in the comments if I confused you with anything, if you have questions, whatever. And make sure you tune in next week for a new video, and have a good day.